And here's Zoe.
Mine.
Why are you taking a video?
Here's all the slimes. Here's Zoe's
Tips.
and Hugh. And Hugh's
Zoe.
tips.
The
And
boss
here's
right
that.
here.
And Zoe is the boss, and I'm a manager. And
We are the dream team.
we are the dream teams, and here's our other worker. Her name is Macy, and she has this $5 slime.
Made up stuff.
We are the people that made up slime. And down in the link down here,
We weren't the ones making.
it was just actually there's a link down here, and there's a subscribe button over here, and down in the link there should be a description of for Zoe's channel. And here I am. Trey, do you want to be on my YouTube video?
No.
Okay, Shane.
Get on it.
Here's Trey.
Get on it.
What?
Get on it.
Long hot dog?
On it.
Do you want to be with me and Zoe?
Great.
Me?
Yeah.
Cleaning out all her stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna hang out with Zoe. You can sit in my chair.
Macy's cleaning out all our stuff. So.
What's it?
Oh.
Yep, I sure did.
Macy's cleaning out all our stuff.
Okay.
So we can put like water and stuff in these. Like, because we have water in here and then a teacup. She's going to go clean out the other stuff too.
Yeah, the one that doesn't have these, this is yours. The other one is mine. Yeah, let me show them how much money.
Well, I need to eat.
Here's the tip. Hold on, I'm gonna pause it and turn it around.